In today's video, I'll tell you guys about Nerd AI. Now, Nerd AI is ChatGPT powered AI tool made specially for students. Now, Nerd AI provides comprehensive assistance with any programming language. It will help you break down your codes and it will interpret it for you and optimize it for you. So if you are a computer science or engineering student, this AI tool is for you. Now, let's start. First things first, just make sure that you've installed Nerd AI and open it up. Now this is the initial page. Tap on get started and you can just skip its demo and get to the home page right here. Now this is the initial page, and as you can see all these options right here that Nerd AI can help you with. Now for example, it can summarize some text, even books, and exact keywords. Now let us try one. Now here you can just type in summarize this book, and after you do that you can even add a file. Even advanced parameters are there and the language. Now after you do that, tap on generate and it will summarize the entire book for you. It can even check your grammar or even translate. Now here you can learn a concept right here. You can ask a question. Now let us just ask it a question. Now I've just asked this a question. Now it will give me an answer right here. Now as you can see, it gives a really quick response. And yeah, that is basically it. Now it can explain a concept for you. It can even give you a trivia on it. And for the computer science students, it can even analyze, check, and optimize your code. It's on the bottom section. Yeah, that is basically it. That is how you use Nerd AI, guys. Have fun with it and learn with it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. And